Winter weather can bring ice, cold, and snow, sending some of us to hibernate indoors instead of keeping up with our typical exercise habits. SSM Health family physician and wellness coach Dr. Roopa Shah joins me today to talk about staying active, whether that's indoors with strength training or by enjoying our Wisconsin winters. Now, Dr. Shah, let's start with this. We all know that regular exercise packs a very powerful health punch, but it can be tempting to kind of let that workout fall by the wayside when the colder winter starts. So what about strength training indoors? What kind of benefits does that have?
Yeah, so this is actually absolutely one of my favorite types of exercise that I tell all people they should incorporate into their routine. Strength training is so important. Obviously, you know, it increases muscle mass, so you improve your endurance and your strength overall, but it also can help your metabolism. So when we have more lean muscle mass, we're burning more calories, and this effect can last even 24 to 72 hours after that workout. For women, particularly important to strength train because it can help with your bone density, preventing osteoporosis, and for all others, actually just having that increased lean muscle mass improves your insulin resistance. So what that means, it helps your body use the insulin you have better, so it can prevent diabetes, or if you have diabetes, help control your blood sugars better.
Wow, a lot of really good benefits there. Now, how can someone who doesn't have strength training experience get started? Because it's always the toughest to get going, right?
Yeah, so, you know, if you don't have sort of the knowledge, the know-how of what to do, you can start with resistance bands, free weights at home, but even things like yoga count. You're using your body weight to build that strength. I personally, however, favor meeting with a personal trainer at a gym who can show you the correct types of exercises, the proper weight for your body weight, and the proper technique, because we really don't want to get injured. We want you to learn these exercises and be able to continue them without getting hurt to really gain the maximum benefit.
Yeah, it's about you know, education for yourself, learning those techniques so you avoid those serious injuries. Now, despite cold temperatures, ice, and snow that come with Wisconsin winters, getting outside still an important goal even during this time. Any advice for someone who's looking to get started with winter sports like, you know, ice skating or anything that you can do outside this time of year?
Right. I mean, we are lucky. You know, we are sort of in this winter wonderland. We have some great, you know, ski resorts nearby that offer lessons for beginners to advanced. You can start snowshoeing. You can borrow someone's gear initially if you're not sure you're going to like that activity. But just like you said, getting outside, trying it, getting some fresh air. We all know the outdoor benefits to your health, too, of just being outside with fresh air. But just trying something new and just, you know, seeing if you like it. Maybe you end up loving it. Right?
Yeah, and that can be maybe a little less daunting than going to a brand new gym. Maybe something that's a little more fun for people too.
Exactly.
All right, thank you, Dr. Shah. Where else can people find you?
So they can find me on Instagram at Wellness with Dr. Shah.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.